Ready to move your crypto out of your Binance Web3 wallet and into another wallet, or back to your main Binance account? Let's get started. First things first, logged into your Binance account and navigate to your Web3 wallet. You can usually find this option within the main menu or wallet section of the Binance platform. Once inside your Web3 wallet, you'll see a list of your crypto assets. Find the specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or BNB, and click on it. Now, look for the withdraw option. You will need to choose the correct blockchain network for your withdrawal. This is absolutely critical. Ensure the network you select matches the receiving wallet's network. Selecting the wrong network can lead to permanent loss of your funds, so double check this step. Next, carefully enter the destination wallet address. This is the address of the wallet where you want to send your crypto. Copy and paste it to avoid any typos. Triple check that the address is accurate before proceeding. Specify the amount of crypto you want to withdraw. You'll likely see the available balance displayed. Remember to account for any potential transaction fees. You will see a confirmation screen. Review all the details carefully: the cryptocurrency, the amount, the network, and the destination address. Make sure everything is correct before confirming. To complete the transaction, you'll need to follow the security prompts from your wallet, such as entering a verification code from your authenticator app or confirming the transaction within your wallet interface. This is an extra layer of security. After confirming, your withdrawal is initiated. Depending on the network, it may take a few minutes or longer for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain and for the funds to appear in your destination wallet. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn crypto from your Binance Web3 wallet.